The mother of 3 children, Judy Valentine's firstborn and only son was everything a parent would hope for. With the holiday season upon them, the family had been together for their traditional Christmas gathering. But that night, December 25th, 1999, Judy received a phone call that would change her life.
And the phone rang, and it was quite a shocking sound. And I really didn't understand what was happening, and I was kind of like, is this a crank call? And then when I understood what it was my daughter-in-law calling me to tell me that my son had been tragically shot and killed by his brother-in-law. And I really just froze. I really couldn't really get a grip on that. And I was like, the next thing I remember doing is kind of just saying it out loud. And then my husband took the phone, and we were required to go over to the place that this happened. When we got there, we really weren't permitted to go in, and we realized that it was a very serious situation. My husband and I just stood there and we embraced one another, because I really think that we were in shock. Even the very first night that I had to lay my head on my pillow with all those thoughts going through my head and the reality that didn't seem like a reality, it was really like a nightmare. I was like, this can't be happening, this is Christmas Day. Things like this don't happen on Christmas Day. And I was like laying there, and I would just start praying and saying to the Lord, just give me peace so I can sleep. Because of my strong faith in God, I was able to really walk through this tragedy. There are days, don't think that I'm superhuman, because there were days when I found myself laying on the floor, just crying out to the Lord and saying, Lord, you've got to help me. And the Lord would just be like a breath away. You know, and it's just such a precious thing to know that the Lord knows your heart, and He knows that you have a broken heart. We were very close, my son and I, and he knew I was always there for him and always by his side. There came a point in time where he made a decision to really settle down and really make the Lord a very important part of his life. That doesn't mean you can't have fun and laugh and be a family. It means your heart is in the right place. Your heart is right, and my son's heart was right before God, and that's why I know that he is not in my past, he's in my future. I am a living example of someone who has been through a tremendous tragedy and had a great loss, but still has joy in their life. You know, the loss was great, but the hope is even greater, because he's not in my past, he's in my future. And I have that wonderful promise that I'll see him again.